In this video, I'll show you how to convert a scanned PDF document to an editable Word document using Foxit PDF Editor. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a PDF with me here and it's a scanned PDF. Now, if I just double click on it, it's going to open up. And one thing you'll take a note of is that you cannot make selections. I'm holding left click and trying to drag right there. And also, if you try to look for anything, let's say subtitles, I know it appears about 25 times. It's not possible to find that particular word. But for this video, I want us to make this editable and also convert it to a Word document. As I mentioned, we're going to be using Foxit PDF Editor right here. And all I need to do is just now drag and drop my file right inside here. Once I do that, one thing that is going to happen is that you're going to get this particular notification, text recognition. Some pages may contain unrecognized text. You can run text recognition to make text searchable or editable. Now, if you accidentally clicked on do not show again, then you can find the recognized text option under convert right here to the edge. If I click on it, it shows me current file, multiple files, selected region. I'll click on current file, and the new dialog box is more or less the fine print of what you want to do. I want to convert, that is recognized text for all the pages. That's okay. They're just 3 pages, and the document language is in English and it's selected by default. And then the output settings right here, because I want to convert it into an editable Word document, I'm going to go to the editable text. You can also make it searchable image text, original image. I'll click on editable text right there. Now, the down sample I'm going to use for this one is 600 dpi. Now, once everything is set, I'll just click on OK. And the OCR process is going to begin right here, page 3 of 3, right there. And once it's done, there we go. Yeah, you'll notice like there's like a slight movement, and you'll see this particular asterisk here showing you that this file is more or less now has been converted. So I can actually go first of all and click on File, Save As, navigate to the folder I want to save, and then maybe add something like editable. Click on Save, and once I do that, I'll come back to Convert, and then from here to MS Office, that is to Word. I'm going to go with this one, and once that is done, it's going to give me the options right there, and I'll click on Save. I've set it to show me the result once it's done, and you can see on the bottom right here, it's doing what it needs to do. Constructing database, converting, and once it's done, it's going to open up in Microsoft Word right there. So as you can see, it's more or less what we have. You may need to do a couple of editing for the text, that is the font size and all that. But if all you wanted was to convert a scanned PDF like this one into an editable Word document using Foxit PDF Editor, that is how you do it. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.